Here I have the Maymoy Tempura Paint Sticks. Here I have 24 colors. Comes with this nice case, really easy and portable, and 2 snaps that open it up. So inside we have all of these different solid colors. Here we've got some metallics and shimmery colors, and over here we have some highlighter colors. The colors, I swatched them out, look like this, and as you can see there's no bleeding on the back. And just to show you how nicely it goes on, here I'm gonna give you a little demo. Once you uncap it, it's really smooth, super easy to use, it just glides. I bought these so that I can create these little holiday gift wrapping with this craft paper. I think it's a really cool project. Design a little project, and I really love this because it really pops on this craft paper. You can see the shimmery color of the gold, and I was able to use all of the different colors on this one sheet. It's really fun, and again, they don't bleed, and I like the fact that after it dries, it just really blends in. You don't have to worry about it coming off on your fingers. Super easy, really great for kids to use, but also adults as well.